Why'd you hit the pole? What did the pole do to you? Now, what'd you do to it?
Nothing. I know I prolonged my oil change a little bit, but I work from home a little bit, so.
That sounds like excuses to me.
I'm just someone new in Atlanta, so I'm just trying to...
Don't use the new Atlanta. That's not gonna make any difference.
Yeah.
Ma'am. I understand. She ain't did none of the stuff she's supposed to do. Wonder why her car broke.
Yeah, I'm curious too.
It's hard to kill a Toyota.
Yeah. So I'm just trying to figure it out. Because I know I hit my car on the pole, which I got...
Why'd you hit the pole? What did the pole do to you?
Because the sun was in the way and I ended up hitting a pole in a parking lot. And I didn't see it. It was the day I didn't have my glasses on too.
Are you supposed to have your glasses on while operating a motor vehicle?
Yeah, or contacts, which I have now.
So you were in violation of the law, is what you're saying. Hold on 1 second. I think we got her. We go ahead and send the people.